Education. Education is the ability to meet life's situations. The great aim of education is not knowledge, but action. So friends, I'm Biswajit. I'm a math educator. I'm with you once again to learn a new lesson that is area related to circles. This chapter is in class 10 CBSE. In this video we learn the concept, descriptions, formulae and some terms which are related to circle. Here we learn perimeter of the circle, that means circumference, area of the circle, area of the sector, area of the segment, then concentric circles. So friends, let us start with circle. What a circle means? सर्कल का मतलब क्या है? ये सर्कल है. A circle is a set of points. Circle is a set of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. This is the fixed point. This is called center. And these points are equidistant from center. This distance, this line segment, if you join the line segment OA or OB, is called radius. Radius. If you extend the radius, then let it be A dash. A dash is diameter. So now, you see what is the relation between a diameter and radius? So here you see diameter is twice of radius. Diameter is twice of radius. Similarly, if we join any 2 points on the circle, let it be C and D, or you can write PQ. CD and PQ are called chord. Any 2 points on the circle, if you join, that is called chord. So you see A and A dash is also 2 points on the circle, and this line segment passes to the center, that is diameter. And diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Clear? See, if we draw a line which passes through the circle, this line is called secant. We have already discussed in circle chapter. And another line, if you see, if a line passing through a circle and touching one point, then it is called tangent. Tangent of a circle. Okay? You see, this is already discussed. Now we learn about circle perimeter area. You see, the perimeter means it is the circumference of a circle. Perimeter. This is a circle. This is radius OA. This one is called perimeter. C, that is called circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r, or we can write pi d. 2r is d, c equal to 2 pi r, or we can write pi d. That is the circumference of a circle. That is the formula. Then what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle, you can write A is equal to pi r square. So here, two formula, one is circumference of perimeter, then area pi r square. Here you write square unit. Here you write only unit. If centimeter given, we write in circumference centimeter. If centimeter given, then in area you can write square centimeter. Okay. Next, area enclosed by two concentric circles. First we discuss the formula. Two concentric circles. Concentric circle means same center, two circles of different radius. Let this radius be OA is R, or we can write OB, it is capital R. Then you have to find area enclosed by concentric circles. Two concentric circles. This area we have to find. First to see OA is the capital R, so area will be pi r square. You know, area of a circle is pi r square. So pi capital R square. This is the total area of a bigger circle. Now you see this circle, if you subtract pi r square, because here you see pi r square is the area of a smaller circle. If you subtract, then we find if you take pi common, then it is r square minus r square. Square unit is the area of this concentric circle. Okay, is the area of the concentric circle. Then comes sector. You see, what a sector means. Sector is a part of a circle. You see, sector. Center this one. Sector means this one is 2 radii O, A, B. The part of a circle. This part is called sector. Okay. To find the perimeter of a sector, if you find perimeter of a sector, then what to write? OA plus OB plus this arc AXB. So how to find the length of the arc? To discuss. So perimeter is OA plus OB. OA means R plus R, 2R plus, here you can write this is L. So this is the perimeter. How to find the area of a sector? Area means here you see theta is angle. This one is minor sector. Minor sector, why it is minor sector? You see, if we divide this figure into two semicircles through a diameter, if we divide into two semicircles, then the smaller portion if you take any angle less than 180, if you take, then this part will be a minor sector. If this part is minor sector, the rest part will be major. Rest part will be major sector. So how to find the area of a sector? So area of a sector, you see, this total circle is, so total circle covers 360 degree. But we find this area where angle is theta. So there is a formula finding area of sector with the central angle theta. It is very easy. You can write theta by 360 degree into total area is pi r square. So write pi r square. That is the area of a sector. Clear? So how to find the length? Length of the arc. Length of the arc, if we write L is the length of the arc. You see, total that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r subtends angle 360 degree. For this portion, theta, so theta by 360 into total circumference is 2 pi r. Write 2 pi r. For area, theta by 360 into pi r square. To find the length of the arc, we write theta by 360 into 2 pi r. You can cancel this one here. 2 180. You get theta by 180 degree into pi r also. Okay, it is very easy. So remember the arc. So here, if you put the length of the arc, you can find the perimeter of the sector. Here, area of sector. Area of sector means here, this one is area of minor sector. Okay. If we find the area of minor sector, how to find the area of major sector? It's very easy. The area of major sector, you can write area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector. Okay. First to find the area of minor sector, then if you subtract from the circle, area of the circle, then you get the area of the major sector. So sector. Here we discussed about sector, length of the arc. Then we come to the segment. What is a segment? Segment is the portion of a circle including a chord and arc. You see here, it's a circle. This one is called the arc. So first to join this one. Center, let it be A and it is B and the arc is L. Okay. So segment portion is this one and this portion is called minor segment. It is called minor segment. Okay. We know angle is theta. So OAB, that means you can write X. OAXB. OAXB. The sector. This is the minor sector. Then this one is a triangle. This one is a triangle form using theta. Okay. Radius. This is radius. So from sector, if you subtract the area of the triangle, then you get the area of the segment. So area of the minor segment, is equal to area of the minor sector, you see, area of the minor sector minus area of the triangle. When you do questions, find how to find the area of the triangle, you see here. So this was the concept of this chapter. Some points are here. What is chord, what is radius, what is diameter, what is secant, what is minor sector, major sector, minor segment, major segment. Here you get the area of the minor segment. Then how to find the area of the major segment. So area of the major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of what? Minor segment. Okay, get it? This was the concept video. In my next video, we will discuss some important questions which are frequently coming in the exam. So watch the video till the end, learn the concept, and wait for my next video. Thank you. Keep smiling. God bless you.